Ryan Issakainen, First Trust, is up for 7 ETF awards this year, including Issuer of the Year. Let's talk about some of them. And the first one you're nominated for is the Best New ETF. This is FV, the First Trust Dorsey Wright Focus 5 ETF. It's a long name. Tell me about it.
Yeah, this is a fund that was actually the most popular new ETF launch in the last 12 months. We've gathered about $2.4 billion in a relatively short amount of time. And this is an ETF that implements a sector rotation strategy that's essentially powered by Dorsey Wright's research that focuses on the strongest relative strength or best momentum ETFs in the First Trust universe.
And another one that you're up for is Best New Equity ETF. And that one is for the RBA American Industrial Renaissance ETF. Let's hear about that one.
Yeah, so this is a theme that was developed by Richard Bernstein Advisors, and essentially it focuses on companies that are industrial and manufacturing companies that benefit from some of the competitive advantages from China and the emerging markets going away because they've had such strong wage growth as compared to the US. There's just a lot of secular forces that benefit, including the strong dollar, those American companies that do a lot of business in the US.
Next up in the Best New Alternative Fund category, it's the First Trust Long Short Fund. Let's hear about that one. What makes it different from all the other long short funds out there?
Yeah, so this is a fund that's powered by Sabrient Systems and Gradient Analytics, and what they do is look at earnings quality. So this is a fund that has a levered long position in companies that have high earnings quality and a short position with companies that have more aggressive accounting practices or lower earnings quality. And so this is a fund that really gives you about 120% net exposure for about 80%, 120% growth exposure for 80% net exposure to the market.
And then finally, in the Best New Asset Allocation ETF, a lot of categories out there, is your Strategic Income ETF. Tell me about that one. What makes this one so special?
So this is relatively unique because first off, it's an actively managed ETF, and it really is designed to answer the need for clients who are looking for income in different sources. So this is a diversified approach. It includes asset classes, everything from mortgage-backed securities to sovereign debt markets in the emerging markets, local currencies, to a variety of other asset classes. And it's each one of those asset classes is actively managed.
Well, good luck with all those ETFs. Hopefully you'll take home a few awards. What's for next year? Any new ETFs on the horizon we should be on the lookout for?
Well, none that we have filed that I can talk about now, but I will tell you to look out for more actively managed ETFs and asset classes that we think you can really add value through active management, because if you can be selective and add value, that's really where our added value proposition is.
All right, good luck. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching The Street.